Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today discuss my subject name is Managerial Economic. My topic name is Profit Planning. Profit planning meaning understanding the concept of profit planning is crucial for the sustainability of any business. It involves foreseeing future profit through strategy, forecasting and setting goal. In essence, it is the process of devising a plan to achieve desired profit level. This process allows business to set realistic target, allocate research effectively and make informed decision. Effective profit planning include determining the pricing structure, budgeting and cost control. It bridges the gap between company present position and future financial objectives. Definition: profit planning, the process of developing systematic strategy and forecast to achieve defined profit objectives by analyzing cost, sales and revenue parameters. Components of profit planning. When developing profit plan, several key components must be considered. Revenue forecasting, projecting future sales based in historical data, market analysis and trends. Cost estimate, identify and predicting future expenses to understand their impact on profit margin. Budgeting, allocation funds to different departments to align with the profit objectives. Break-even analysis, calculating the point at which total revenue equal total cost to determine the maximum output need to avoid also. Example, imagine a startup tech company planning its profit by analyzing historical sales data and forecasting an increase in demand. They estimate their annual revenue to be rupees 5 lakh. The company anticipated total expenses including production and operation cost to reach rupees 3 lakh. Importance of profit planning. The significance of profit planning cannot be overstated in the realm of business management. It serves not only as a compass guiding business towards their financial goals, but also as a foundation for sustained growth. By offering clear roadmap, profit planning also business to anticipate future challenge and opportunity effectively. The process aids in goal setting, resource allocation and operational activities with the strategy of objectives. Without a solid profit plan, companies may struggle to remain competitive, adapted to market change or meet investor expectation. Structure planning helps business make sound financial decisions that safeguard their market position. Benefit profit planning. Implement a well-structured profit plan offered a multiple of advantage. Strategic direction. It clarifies the path for achieving financial success. Research management ensure efficient use of company research by allocating funds with performance monitoring. Facilitated tracking of financial progress against set target. Risk mitigation. Identify potential financial risk and prepare strategy to address them. Consider a retail chain that set up profit plan. The aim for a 50% profit increase over the next year. By analyzing past sales and current market trends, they forecast sales growth in their highest performance region. Profit planning key takeaway. Profit planning definition. The process of developing systematic strategy and forecast to achieve defined profit objectives by analyzing cost, sales and revenue parameter. Importance of profit planning. Provide strategy, direction, ensure efficient research management and enhance risk mitigation. Profit planning techniques include cost, volume, profit analysis, budgeting, forecasting, performance monitoring, various analysis and benchmarking. Profit planning meaning involves estimating future profit and setting strategy to achieve them through strategy forecasting and setting goals. Profit planning example: demonstrate real world application by calculating necessary sales volume to achieve desired profit using provide financial data. Key components of profit planning: revenue forecasting, cost estimated, budgeting and break-even analysis. Thank you.